Hello, Africa. News from Mali. This is another headline news coming from Mali. Russia sends fresh military equipment to support Mali to like Eli to clean up the northern conflict. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what happened the last time in Mali when there was a lot of ambush. Something terrible happened. I think 2 months ago in Mali when some prodigal son mistakenly born in Mali enter and do a lot of damage to the country, where we lost some prominent military officer, some big men in the country. Now, because of that, Russia have reportedly delivered new equipment of military to Mali as the government force battalion always renew offensive from this Tuareg and the separatists called Assawad militant in the country north, in northern Mali. The conflict marked another escalation in the Sahel, ongoing security crisis. So the children that were mistakenly born in the country, they never stopped disturbing the country. They never stopped disturbing the nation. I believe Human Rights Watch is watching what this Tuareg and Assawad is doing in Mali. Now that the military are getting support from Russia, I believe Human Rights Watch will not come and cry later that Mali is doing some things to his citizen. Mali, the president is doing this, is doing that is doing human rights violation. Because the last time they violate the law of Mali, those men, these boys, they almost enter Bamako. They massacre a lot of people. They cause a lot of damage in the country. Human Rights Watch did not say anything. Although Mali captured them, Mali caged them, Mali deal with them thoroughly, because when you are a rebel, you don't have no country, you don't have no family, you are nobody. You don't supposed to live. Any day you carry harm against your government and you become rebel in your nation, you don't supposed to live. Every nation do that. Every nation fight terrorists, separatists, they fight rebel. So I believe now that the equipment is coming from Russia, Human Rights Watch will not come and say anything. All of us will just keep going. We just keep going. So guys, just relax as we are going to be getting more news from Mali. Because as this equipment come now, we will not waste them. The equipment we must use them. We must use this equipment that just come from Russia. We must use them. So any Tuareg or any Assawad, talk to yourself, drop your gun, go to your parents, or I don't know, just go somewhere else, because those equipment coming from Russia will not be wasted. It will not be wasted. And if you decide to be a problem from your country, the country will be your problem. So guys, what do you think about the new development from Mali? This moment, there is a lot of tension and the Sahel soldiers are facing a lot of problem. But together we stand. When three nations stand together, militarily, believe me, the Tuareg Assawad, they can only do small.